The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 packs stunning visuals into your gaming setup, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. This card can make even the most demanding games run silky smooth. So what makes it so special? Well, for starters, it's powered by NVIDIA's latest DLSS 3 technology, which is essentially a super efficient way of rendering images in real time. It sounds like sci-fi, but trust me, it's a game changer. With DLSS 3, you get up to 4 times the performance of traditional graphics cards. That means faster frame rates and a more seamless gaming experience. But what does that really mean for you? Let me put it this way. With a Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060, you can play even the most graphically intense games at high resolutions without breaking a sweat. No lag, no stuttering, just pure, unadulterated fun. And it's not just about performance. DLSS 3 also helps to preserve battery life on your laptop or console, so you can game all day and night without worrying about draining the juice. Now, let's talk about ray tracing. You've probably seen it in movies and TV shows, that fancy, realistic lighting effect that makes everything look super-duper realistic. Well, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 brings that same magic to your gaming setup. With its 3rd generation RT cores, you get up to 2 times the performance of previous generation cards, which means more detailed reflections, more accurate shadows, and a whole lot more realism. But here's the thing. Ray tracing isn't just about looks, it's also about performance. By leveraging NVIDIA's advanced tensor cores, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 can render complex scenes in real time, without sacrificing any of that sweet visual fidelity. It's like having a superpower for your gaming setup. And then there's memory. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM, which is plenty for most modern games. Plus, the card's 128-bit memory interface ensures that you get silky smooth performance even in the most demanding games. No stuttering, no lag, just smooth, fast gaming all day long. But what really sets this card apart is its cooling system. The WINDFORCE cooling system is a beast of its own, with dual BIOS and advanced fan design to keep your card running cool and quiet even under heavy load. This means you can push the card to its limits without worrying about overheating, perfect for serious gamers who want to squeeze every last bit of performance out of their hardware. So, there you have it. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 is an absolute powerhouse of a graphics card that will take your gaming experience to new heights. With its stunning visuals, blistering performance, and advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS 3, this card is a must-have for anyone serious about gaming. And don't forget, with the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060, you get the best price and most comprehensive support in the industry. Head to the link below to check it out for yourself and experience the future of gaming today.